Hey, Dad.
Where are you at today?
I like you.
Right there in the rainforest.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah. What are you dressed up? What are you? With your hat and your vest? Are you an adventurer?
Yeah.
An explorer? What do you have for an explorer? What are these? Binoculars. Say it, binoculars.
Not good.
What are the binoculars for? What do you use them for? For looking? What are you going to find in the rainforest? What are you looking for? Animals? What kind of animals did you find? What kind of animals did you find? What is...
Dad.
You gotta talk loud so I can hear you.
It's a dial.
Crocodile. What else did you find in the rainforest? A bird. Oh, there's lots of birds in the rainforest, right?
Why would it be?
I see it spinning. Jack and Annie went in the rainforest, didn't they?
Look.
Yep, that's your book over there. Yeah, what else was in the rainforest we talked about? What's that? Iguanas.
Here.
What else?
This is bug.
It's a frog. There's a lot of frogs in the rainforest, right?
Wait, what is that?
It's a frog. Yeah, what else?
This is bug.
And you've got two frogs from the rainforest. Look, we stick one in your pocket right there. Hee hee, look. You want the monkey in your pocket?
No. No bug.
Oh, you're going to put two frogs in your pocket. You're going to take them back from the rainforest with you?
Yeah.
All right. So does it rain a lot in the rainforest? Here, scooch back here so they can see you. Does it rain a lot at the rainforest?
Yeah.
Yes. You're making so silly faces. Did Jack and Annie have fun in the rainforest? Just a little bit of fun, huh? They went down the river. The Amazon River. Yes? What about all those animals? Look, what is this? Look. A toucan? And a butterfly? You're pointing to the butterfly, aren't you? Look right here. What's this? Frog? You're trying to figure out our green screen, aren't you? What's behind you? Scooch over a little bit. Walk over there. Oh! What is that? Right there. What is that? It's coming out of the back of the rainforest. What is it?
Right.
A tiger.
Hi.
A tiger. All right, walk over here. What's on that side of the rainforest? Monkeys. What kind of birds are those? Parrots. All right, so what do you have if it gets dark in the rainforest? There's a lot more. What's way up there in the tree up top? What is that? A snake. Oh.
You rabbit?
Huh?
You rabbit?
It's not a rabbit.
No, I see big teeth.
It's a snake.
No, big
Oh.
teeth.
Oh, okay. So you're having a ton of fun studying rainforest this week, right? Did we build a rainforest? Hey, Dawson. Did we build a rainforest with your Legos? Yes, we did. You've been playing with it, haven't you?
One blow.
Yeah, it broke a little bit.
Uh-oh, one blow.
It's okay.
I don't.
Tell them. Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Gonna wave. Bye.
Bye.